front of me is Oppo Reno12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Notifications and Status bar, to scroll down just a bit and tap on Manage All next to App Notifications. Then select Recent under App Notifications and select one of those options to sort them. I will go with sorting my apps by frequency of notifications. Last but not least, use blue switcher next to any app to block notifications from it, or gray switcher to switch them back on. You can also go back, select one of your apps from here, and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to allow notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!